When it comes to Agile teams, choosing the right project management tool can be a game changer. So, in this video, we're diving into Asana versus Jira to see which one is truly the best fit for Agile teams, and we'll also explore an alternative that could be even better. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which software will help you streamline your workflow and get things done faster. Let's start with Asana. Asana is a popular choice for a lot of teams, and it's well known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility. It's not just built for Agile teams, but it's adaptable enough to be used in various project management methodologies. One of the key features is its task management system, which allows you to organize tasks in lists, boards, and calendars. This gives teams the flexibility to structure their workflow the way that makes the most sense for them. But here's the catch with Asana. While it's versatile, it can sometimes feel a bit too general and lack some of the deeper Agile-specific features that teams may need, like sprint planning tools or detailed reporting metrics. For teams strictly using Agile, this can be a limiting factor. Next thing, let's talk about Jira. Jira, on the other hand, is made specifically for Agile teams. It's heavily focused on sprint planning, backlogs, and custom workflows, which makes it perfect for teams that live and breathe Agile methodology. You'll find robust tools for tracking issues, setting up epics, and user stories, making it a go-to tool for software development and IT teams. But, and this is important, Jira can be a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with its interface. The learning curve can be steep, and it's not exactly known for being the most intuitive tool on the market. For smaller teams or teams that aren't focused entirely on Agile, it might feel like overkill. Now, the third thing to consider is how these tools handle collaboration. Asana does a great job when it comes to team communication and collaboration. It allows for easy task commenting, attachments, and sharing, which makes it easy for teams to stay on the same page. Jira does have collaborative features too, but it tends to be more focused on issue tracking and development work, so it can feel less collaborative compared to Asana. Another important point is integrations. Asana supports a wide range of integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to connect with your existing workflow. Jira also has its integrations, but it tends to focus more on development tools like GitHub, Bitbucket, and Confluence, which could be a pro or a con depending on the needs of your team. Now, we've covered the basics of both tools, but here's where it gets interesting. Despite how popular Asana and Jira are, I've actually tried both of them myself, and neither felt like the perfect fit for what Agile teams need. They're both good, but there's a better alternative out there. If you're looking for a tool that's not only great for Agile, but also offers a smoother experience without the headaches of steep learning curves, then I highly recommend checking out Software Name. This tool combines the flexibility of Asana with the Agile-specific features of Jira, and it's designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with all your favorite tools, so you're not stuck with a complicated setup process. And here's the best part. If you click the first link in the description, you can get a special free trial of Software Name and enjoy exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. It's a risk-free way to see if this alternative really is the best fit for your team. So, in summary, Asana and Jira are both great options, but they come with their own sets of pros and cons. If you want a smoother experience and a better fit for your Agile team, don't miss out on the free trial of Software Name. The link's waiting for you in the description, so be sure to grab it before it's too late.